Hello everyone! Whether you're a homeowner looking to maintain your yard or a hobbyist tackling DIY projects, having the right chainsaw can make all the difference. Today we're showcasing the top 5 chainsaws known for their precision and efficiency in cutting. From powerful gas engines to convenient cordless designs, these tools are built to handle a variety of tasks with ease. Let's begin the count and find the perfect match for your cutting needs. Starting off this list at number 5, we have the Proyama 52cc chainsaw. It is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for cutting trees, trimming branches, and other heavy-duty tasks. It features a 52cc gas engine that delivers ample cutting power and comes with 2 chains for extended use. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfort during operation, while the anti-vibration system reduces strain. However, being gas-powered, it requires regular maintenance, and beginners may need some time to adapt to its operation. Customers had a lot to say regarding the product. Let's look at a few of them. After looking at the features and customer feedback, we'd rate it 4.1 out of 5. The Proyama chainsaw is well suited for professionals and avid DIYers. Its balance of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features makes it a dependable choice for tough outdoor cutting jobs. A great addition to your toolkit for demanding projects. Coming in at number 4, we have the Seaside cordless chainsaw. It is a lightweight and portable tool designed for household and yard maintenance. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this chainsaw eliminates the need for cords or fuel, offering convenient and eco-friendly operation. Its sharp, durable chain delivers precise cuts, ideal for pruning, trimming, and small tree cutting tasks. The ergonomic handle and low vibration make it easy to handle, though its power and cutting capacity are better suited for light to medium duty tasks. Let's look at some of the customer feedback regarding the product. After analyzing the features and customer feedback, we have rated it 4.3 out of 5. The CC cordless chainsaw is highly regarded for its convenience and ease of use. It's a great choice for homeowners looking for a reliable, compact chainsaw for everyday gardening and maintenance work. Perfect for quick, hassle-free trimming jobs. Coming in at number 3, we have the Weimars brushless, lightweight lithium-ion chainsaw, which is a compact and efficient tool for precise and easy cutting tasks. Powered by a brushless motor and rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, it offers long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure user comfort, making it ideal for trimming, pruning, and small cutting jobs. However, its power output may not be sufficient for heavy-duty or professional-grade tasks. Customers had a lot to say about the product. Let's look at a few of them. After considering the features and customer feedback, we have given it a rating of 4.4 out of 5. The Weimars lithium-ion chainsaw is a reliable choice for homeowners and hobbyists. A solid tool for light to medium duty work. Coming in at number 2, we have the CPU mini cordless chainsaw, which is a compact and efficient tool designed for light pruning and cutting tasks. It features an automatic lubrication system and sharp, durable chain, ensuring smooth and precise cuts. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this chainsaw is portable and easy to use with an ergonomic handle for added comfort. While it excels in light tasks like trimming branches and pruning shrubs, it's not ideal for heavy-duty or large-scale projects. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After carefully considering the features and customer feedback, we have rated it 4.6 out of 5. The CPU Mini chainsaw is highly praised for its convenience, portability, and user-friendly design. It's a great choice for homeowners seeking a quick, reliable tool for small garden maintenance tasks. Perfect for hassle-free, everyday gardening needs. Reigning at the top at number 1, We have the cordless portable chainsaw. It is a versatile tool tailored for household and courtyard maintenance, featuring a rechargeable battery and lightweight design. It offers portability and convenience for trimming branches, pruning shrubs, and light cutting tasks. The sharp, durable chain ensures efficient performance. Customers have a lot of feedback regarding the product. After carefully considering the features and customer feedback, we have rated it a solid 4.7 out of 5. This cordless portable chainsaw is appreciated for its ease of use and reliability. And that's the lineup of the top 5 chainsaws precise for cutting in 2025. From heavy-duty powerhouses to compact and portable options, each of these tools is designed to make your cutting tasks faster and more efficient. Have you used any of these chainsaws, or do you have a favorite that we missed? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more top picks and reviews. See you next time.